Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to FNO Pulse. The FNO Pulse is Futures and Options Pulse. We will be catching the pulse of futures, options and equity stocks. By using this particular chart you will be identifying the market and started your trading. There are 75 unique screens available in FNO Pulse. Firstly, the idea of introducing what is FNO Pulse is outside world is very good. As far as the data part is concerned, we source the data, live data, and get auto refresh every minute. We analyze this data using several data analytics and put the data quickly into readable forms through data visualization tools. Once the open interest is in the total number of outstanding contract at the particular strike, what are the reference to is the liquidity. So we going to find with open interest how the stocks are getting performed for the day. The main use of the FNO Pulse. Let's log in into FNO Pulse now. This is the home page of FNO Pulse. Here we are bringing many charts, nearly 6 charts we are giving. I will be explaining about 3 charts. Dow Futures. This is the global market analysis to identify how our market will be opening for the day. Same way the crude oil. The crude oil also, so if you when the crude oil is up, our market will be in down. Vice versa, whenever the crude oil is downside, the market will be opening in upside. The USD INR, the same like crude oil. Whenever it's up, so our market condition will be bad. But this is not applicable for IT sector. When USD is high, our IT sectors are performing good. Now let's see about the market info. In dashboard, I'm going inside market info. Market info in morning, the advance are in, around 11:30. The advance are very high and declines are less. When you consider HDFC, it's the price change is 1.55 percentage. If you take a trade at in HDFC, you will be getting a 5 to 10 points definitely in market for intraday trading. The banks are performing HDFC good. The Kotak Bank 1.53, Dr. Reddy, the Power Grid. Like that, if you see what are the changes in 1%, green side, you can go for buying. If you see any 1% at red side, you go for sell for intraday stocks. According to this, you can identify the market and start your trade. The total advance decline is 48 at the end of the day. As advance is 48 and the decline is 138. Sector-wise, advance decline is segregated here. According to the sector, you can understand how the market is performing for the day. The next screen we're going to see about Nifty. This screen we will identify about the Nifty future, and also Nifty stocks. The spot price is indices price, and this is the Nifty future is a future price. The max pain indicate the maximum number of pains happening here. You can identify the market max pain is here. According to the max pain, the market will come near to the max pain. For example, the market is going around 16,400. The max pain remains 16,200. It's after second half of the market, it remains 16,200. The market is trading in 16,400. Definitely, the market will come to 16,200 range. This is the max pain possibility in using FNO Plus. You can understand it very clearly. The PCR trend. The PCR trend, bullish, bearish, neutral trends are there. According to the trend, it will keep changing. The values I will be explaining. If you need to about the values of PCR trend, I will be explaining you with the documents. You can contact us for the document. OA impression, long unwinding. The technical trend. We are using 12 parameters to find the technical trends. According to the 12 parameters, technical rating, out of 12, the 9 are neutral. So the market was ending with neutral side by afternoon. The technical strength, if it is above 75 to 80%, only the market will be in upside. So it's neutral since 75%. If it is less than 75 or 70, definitely the market will be in bearish side in technical rating. moving average 50, moving average 20, VWAM and pure point. These four the major traders will use for intraday play. So this will be overall understanding how the Nifty is performing. Here the three lists are coming. The Nifty current month, next month and July month. May, June, July. The Nifty stocks are here. According to the stocks, the Nifty will be performing for the Nifty stocks. The same way you can go for Bank Nifty. The same whatever I explained for Nifty, the same will be performing in Bank Nifty. So here it is strong bearish. There we have seen neutral 9 neutral, there 10 strong bearish. Bearish when it's come if out of 12 the 10 are in bearish side. So that when it becomes 10 it becomes strong bearish. Next is identifying the stocks for intraday with the buy entry levels in jackpot list. For example, Adani Enterprises. In my Adani Enterprises given us 2172 the entry price. The upside it went up to 6 points. When 2172, let's find out when the entry price is coming. 2172. The 3 minutes candle is performing here. The first 3 minutes candle is short covering. The second 3 minutes candle is long build up. The long build-up is happened at the entry level of buy 2172. You can see as you see here morning 8:18 a.m. to 9:21 a.m. The last traded price was 2172. The market cashed the entry level, and if you taken the trade, it performed up to 5 to 6 points. Definitely, you would be in positive side. Whenever you do for intraday, maximum minimum you keep it as 5 points as your profit booking points if you are doing intraday. That will give you a good returns in overall performance for the day. The same way you can check for other stocks also. Aro Pharma was showing at sell side. If we sell this stock around 551. Let's find when the call is executed, what time the 551 was executed. Morning it was performing around 554. 554. Short build-up is happened. That means the trend is bearish. 551 it happened. It given 15 points in this market. ACC. This ACC Cements. The entry is 2223. The 12 points profit was given by ACC from the buy entry level. 2223 morning itself short covering happened. 2023 the buy level was executed. So in this buy level, if you traded, you may got around 12 points in intraday. Like that, you can see it for all those stocks, whichever the buy side become more than 9 points, you can check it here. HDFC. Here HDFC was given 39 points. You can see they find out this the charts here. All are 3 minutes candle charts is forming here. Next, let's come to futures. In futures, OA data analysis. First is Bank Nifty. With this, you can understand the OA data analysis, the total OA, total change in OA, day high, day low, the break level, the volumes getting traded, the last traded price. Everything you can check it here. You can change the stocks, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and future stocks or everything here. The future technical data. Here the moving average above 50, whichever the stocks you are moving average 50 and above, you can identify it here. If you select according to this, the sorting will be happening. According to this, you can find which is getting stronger. All these will be helpful for you to get more knowledge about the market. In beginning stage, if you are beginner, just follow the screeners and strategy. For options, I will explain you about options now. How to find the option strike price. You have in options, you have to go to OA data analysis. In OA data analysis, there's left side all are called and right side all are put. In middle, the yellow lines indicate that strike price. When the middle of this yellow indicating the current trading price, nearest current trading nearest price or current trading price. Now we have to find out which strike price we have to buy now. Very simple. Wherever the volume more changes is happening, that means if it's come in blue color, put side or call side, we have to select those stocks first. A long build-up is from LB. The short build-up, or because of the morning this one was in long build-up. In middle after 2 o'clock it was in long build-up, and again market changing, so everything ended with short build-up. So it's showing like this. If you, for example, 34,000, if you enter 34,000, then the market opened around 345. It went low, 343. After sometimes the market, morning it was market going up, again the market is getting changed. If you see the changes, the market high is 345. So definitely 50 to 100 points you will be getting in intraday in Bank Nifty. Same way you can do it for Nifty stocks and everything. In beginning you concentrate in any one, Bank Nifty or any in stocks. Any of these three, you concentrate on one sector and make a profit, start making a profit. There are many more screens are available. I will be explaining you all those screens in upcoming days. FNO Pulse will be very useful for your intraday trading. You can subscribe this with minimum cost of 500 rupees per month. An annual plan also will be also available. You can, once you subscribe, the account will be activated. If you have any clarification, you can contact our support team. They will guide you in subscription or any clarification in taking this subscription and how to identify this market. FNO Pulse is very useful to market. FNO Pulse is futures and options pulse. www.fnopulse.com. Thank you. Happy trading.